Hello. What's this?
Well, I was dropping off the Calzone money for the week. Shouldn't you be at work by now?
Work? It's raining.
So?
I called in sick. I don't work in the rain.
You don't work in the rain. You're a mailman. Neither rain, nor sleet, nor... It's the first one!
I was never that big on creeds.
You're supposed to deliver my calzones. We had a deal.
I believe the deal was that I get your calzones on my route. Well, today I won't be going on my route, will I? Perhaps tomorrow.
But I'm paying you!
Yes, thank you.
Peru? I thought you wanted cigars from Cuba.
I did.
Well, if these aren't what you wanted, why would you pay them?
Well, what could I do? Unless you paid him a visit.
Okay.
Kramer!
Hey, you.
Hey, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to run down and get me lunch at Paisanos.
Wait a minute, what happened to Newman?
He called in sick.
All right. Yeah, it's raining.
Can you do it?
Well, what time you want it?
1 o'clock. You need some money?
No, I got 8 tons of change. I got unloaded.
Hold that foot!
It's really wet out there, huh?
What can I get you?
Yeah, I hear you make a mean calzone.
Calzone.
Yeah, calzone. Yeah.
The best.
All right, well, yeah, lay 'em on me. I'll have 3 of them.
Three calzone.
Yeah. Well, it's a big oven, huh? Hey, listen, I wonder if you could do me a favor, huh?
Hey, Todd.
Hi, Elaine.
Hi.
You know Nikki, right?
Hi, yeah, sure. Wait, Elaine will settle this. Elaine, what does the M stand for in Richard M. Nixon?
Millhouse?
I told you so. He said it was Mo. You owe me a dinner.
Right, your order's ready. 3 calzones and 1 hot shirt and jacket.
This is all burned up. Look at this.
What the hell do I know about cooking a shirt, huh? 17.50 for calzones.
Burnt up,
What the hell is this, pennies? You penny change?
That's all I got.
Oh, you got to have bills, paper money. You can't pay with this.
Look,
huh?
I said that's all I got.
Then you got no calzone.
Wait a minute, wait!
Va via, sbagazzino, va via!